being a business owner, you're fearful of taxes when you're starting to go out on your own? Because I know I was. Everybody is.
I wasn't.
You wasn't?
No,
Wow, man. Tell me, man. What?
I was dumb as fuck. That's why. I was totally ignorant. I knew that taxes had to happen, but I didn't. I kind of was like, ignorance is bliss. I didn't know how serious taxes could be, so I didn't go into it with that fear mentality of taxes. So working as a independent contractor in social services gave me a little experience how to deal with taxes. And I did pretty well, made a lot of money and as a contractor. And then I had an LLC that helped me to pretty much alleviate a lot of tax issues because I had deductions on mileage. Like I had maybe about $3,000 in deductions a month from just all the driving I was doing. So that definitely helped to alleviate a huge tax burden. Of course, learning about that double taxation when you're self-employed, if you're an employee, your employer is going to pay that tax. I think it's like 3.9%. But since you're not employed, you're self-employed, you got to pay it like literally twice. But I think having deductions definitely helped me out a lot. Now, of course, the issue is not when you're making $60,000, it's when you're making a lot of money that it becomes more challenging. You got to find out more creative ways of what to do with your money. And I think the key and goal is tax planning, you know what I'm saying? And lots of reading, because even your accountant may or may not be versed on certain ways that you could alleviate your tax burden. And there are a lot of creative ways. I think what I learned, I read this book by Robert Kiyosaki, one of his tax advisors. And he said, the tax code is not really about all the ways they're going to tax you. The tax code is an instructional guide on how you can avoid paying taxes. And that blew my mind. I was like, what? You mean they want to help me avoid paying taxes? Especially if I'm doing the right things, and I think that's another mindset change, but definitely taking the time to read some books, get around some cool people that know some stuff,